Tired of your app icons stubbornly staying in place? Let's put you back in control of your Samsung home screen layout. Sometimes, our Samsung phones lock the home screen layout to prevent accidental changes, but if you want to truly personalize your device, you'll need to unlock it. Follow these simple steps. First, find an empty space on your home screen, a circumflex euros, anywhere without an app icon or widget now. Long press that empty area. You should see several options pop up at the bottom of your screen. Look for and tap on Settings. Inside the home screen settings, you'll find a variety of customization options. Your goal is to locate the toggle switch labeled Lock Home Screen Layout. If this switch is currently enabled, meaning it's showing as on, tap on it to turn it off. You'll know it's off when the switch changes color, typically to gray. And just like that, your home screen layout is unlocked. You can now freely move your app icons, rearrange your widgets, and organize your phone exactly the way you want it. This simple trick gives you complete freedom to personalize your Samsung experience. Enjoy your newfound customization power.